Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video cryptocurrency for demanded Bitcoin and Bitcoin. Bitcoin creates a lot buzz the internet. It infected attention and inquiry accepted and become it parts of our life and hours. Bitcoin not alone. Government the over 70 altcoin improves with similar cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin created a large buzz internet and direction. I was attacked and recently I was accepted become a part life. Voice Bitcoin is not allowed. The movement here's 70 altcoin and posted which similar cryptocurrencies. So what is to needed create something like Bitcoin without interesting personal motivation for create resolution allows and system exchanging money information but and selling shops that scope of moral and legal activities and break down basic requirement a new payment system. First, all transactions should be made internet. We secret we don't want to central authority that's in process transaction. The result should only one identificant only a single user vertical additional and like a value samplers and new visitor build and host control base information sharing over internet. Filling and the first requirement for list and remove creator authorizes information exchange over the internet already possible. We went to per P2P in network information sharing and P2P network and similar to information sharing among friends and family. If you information members network exchange information we reach will not be already away. You have and protect between the most popular P2P free life share delivery system population application for P2P sharing skills system. Bitcoin line that implement and user exchange open source P2P protocol supports new cryptocurrency with stop Bitcoin hashing and theme and to understanding digital artifact and was you needed to understand how to cryptographic hacking work in hashing in the process mapping digital data and size pixel size and word process tracking information tabular and making something the tab central. You can compare and getting answers from political information you will provide theme and clear understanding will output and provide looks like redeem streaming in the word There are few requirements that good hashing almost needed. First, output length in distance almost must be pixel a good value into 56 bits. Even the similar changing input data must protect input and different output. Some input will always protect some output. They must be in receive output value and calculation input. Calculation and hashing value and should be not complete instead and should be fast. If you take and log simple articles limitation and but number possible hash in values similarly because unlimited hour and lame how pollution and right product displacement and department improvement about it. If you think and names what slash stop reading now and read about digital sign for heavy and drill and rules vary input small genuine input data must to make this you needed create private and public these two key and some kind mechanical or encrypted and will depend on others that will use to make and each private will defend public key information you will share if you key and additional and original document and value. If anyone needed weld and sign original document value your protect and public sign in and verify this value much assessment and have improvement P2P communication with created digital additional private key and private sign up and documents. First, I have 10 topics. I want to send 10 points my medical and word permission public key there. Third, I want to give transaction in system well I will this letters I want to keep remainder 89 coin. The only thing in left to do in digital and transfer the code with private. In order in confirm individual transaction and several transmission first is was blockchain and demanded called by crypto legal new coin and create rewarded and once transmitted the word and not be understanding big currency about these about out there time developer and project management with our 15-year professional experience and with range software development rules and exchange so developer team members, management multiple dispersion, online scammers. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.